The grammar point for this unit is the present continuous tense. We're going to make affirmative and negative statements. So we use the present continuous tense to talk about actions that are happening right now. I can talk right now. I'm studying, right? This is the actions that it's happening right now. I'm studying. My sister isn't here. She's playing tennis. Okay, this is my sister. And what is she doing right now? I'm studying right now, and my sister is playing tennis. She is playing tennis at this moment. So this is the present continuous tense. So I'm gonna show you how to make affirmative sentences using the present continuous tense. The form of the present continuous tense is the following: how we order the words. First, you start with a pronoun or a subject. In this case, is I. Then we have the auxiliary verb be, which takes three different forms: is, are. In this example, I am using am. And then the main verb in its ing form. We are using the verb read plus the ing form, reading. So the sentence is I am reading. So we have here the different parts of a sentence using the present continuous tense. So the parts are the the subject. We start with the subject, then the auxiliary verb be, the main verb. In this case, we are using read as a main verb. In its form ing, we add ing, and then the this part is just a complement, right? On the green part, we have the complete form, and on the blue part, we have the contracted form of the verb be. Okay, for this part, we're going to be using different subjects. Here we have she and he, right? She's reading a great book. And then we have the contracted form. She's reading a great book. This is the full form and the contracted form using different subjects. Here we are using it, right? It. Remember that we use it for animals or things. It is playing with a ball. It's playing with a ball. And we have you. You can be plural or singular. In this case, we are using you as a singular. You are reading a great book. You're reading a great book. Then we have we. We are reading a great book. We're reading a great book. Then we have you on a plural form. In this case, we're going to be using the plural form. You are reading a great book. You're reading a great book. And we have they. They reading a great book. They're reading a great book. Okay, now we have how to make negative statements. This is the order of the words for the negative statements. First, we have a pronoun or a subject, then the auxiliary verb be, then the negative form, and then the main verb in its ing form. I, the pronoun, am, the verb be, not the negative form, read is the main verb, and then we have ing, reading. I am not reading. As you can see, we just add not, right, before the main verb. Here we have the contracted form and the full form of the verb be on the negative form. I'm not watching TV. I'm not watching TV. remember, to make contractions, you have to use a subject, an apostrophe, and then uh, the verb be. So here we have the structure to make a sentence using the present continuous tense in negative form. First, we start with a pronoun, I, the auxiliary verb, am, the negative form, not, the main verb. In this case, we are using watch as a main verb. Then we just add ing to make it continuous. Watching, watching. And then we have a complement. On the green part, you can find the full form of the verb be, and on the blue part, you can find the contracted form of the verb be. Green part, you can find the sentence. She's not watching TV. We're not contracting anything, right? She is not. This is the whole the whole sentence. On the blue part, you're gonna find the contraction of the verb be and the negative form. In this case, we have is not, is contracted to isn't. Okay, and here on the purple part, we are contracting the personal pronoun or the subject plus and the verb be. She is contracted to she's. So I'm going to show you the same statement with different subjects. He's not watching TV. He isn't watching TV. He's not watching TV. It is not raining. It isn't raining. It's not raining. You. Remember, for use could be plural or singular. In this case, this is the singular one. You're not watching TV. You aren't watching TV. You're not watching TV. And this is the plural form. You are not watching TV. You aren't watching TV. You're not watching TV. Then we have we. We are not watching TV. We aren't watching TV. We're not watching TV. They're not watching TV. They aren't watching TV. They're not watching TV. So that would be all for affirmative and negative statements.